Hey, what's up guys, it's Kaustubh here, and today guys, as per the title of this video, this is my full review of the POCO X3. Firstly guys, one thing that I immediately noticed after holding the POCO X3 in my hand is the weight of the phone. At 225 grams, it is really heavy for a smartphone, and what I think is that there will be two kind of buyers. So the first category of people will be like they need all the specs, all good specs, a huge battery, but for them the heaviness and the thickness of the phone doesn't matter. And second category of people will be the one who need a slim and lightweight and a compact form factor, and they are ready to sacrifice on the specs. So mainly first category kind of people will be buying this phone who for those specs matter. And what I think is that like I've been using the phone for about 2 weeks right now, and it took me at least a week to get used to the weight of the phone. So it is a heavy phone, but once you get used to it, it will be okay. And the next thing is on the back panel. So if you see this back panel guys, it is made of plastic, and it is a good thing like POCO has gone with a plastic back panel, because anyways guys, a glass back panel doesn't make sense. But because we will be using a case anyways and we will not get to feel the phone, so it makes sense to have a plastic back panel, whereas the POCO X2 had a glass back panel. So this trade-off is okay sort of, but one thing that I didn't like is that the quality of the back panel is really cheap. The plastic material which has been used is really cheap. Like it has some subtle flex to it, and also it vibrates when you play music on full volume. So I think quality control can be improved by POCO India in the next upcoming generation of the POCO smartphones. Second best thing about the POCO X3 guys is the 120Hz IPS LCD panel. So this panel is a beautiful panel, has a lot of punchy colors, has great viewing angles as well, and it has 240Hz touch response time. So this means that the latency whenever you touch the display will be very low. It will be very responsive to your touch, and this is a good thing. It is really good for playing games like esports games, I think. And another thing is that the POCO X3 is mainly targeted towards gamer. Like it is sort of a budget gaming phone is what I would say. And also the Snapdragon 732G processor, which is a slight improvement over last year's Snapdragon 730G processor, does an excellent job in gaming, in day-to-day use, and any other tasks which you throw at it. So it's a great processor to have. Also, it has all the bells and whistles, such as again the Snapdragon 732G processor, 6 or 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, as well as 6000 mAh battery, and much more. Also on the back we have this pretty controversial camera module, which a lot of people didn't like, and I also didn't like. I felt like it is a bit out of shape, like they could have done a better job designing it. But the 64 megapixel Sony sensor does a great job, only guys when you provide it with ample lighting. But anyways, I will not go into the depth of the camera performance guys, because I have already made a full camera review of the POCO X3. You can check that out in this card right here. Also guys, if you are planning to buy the POCO X3, and if you are someone like a photographer, you like to click a lot of photos, and if you want slightly more performance, slightly more better pictures, then you can always use a Gcam mod for the POCO X3. And again guys, I have got you covered, because I have already made a Gcam mod review video of the POCO X3, and that video you can check it out right here as well. So now that I have told you all the good things about the POCO X3, here are some of the things which I didn't personally like in my experience. So first thing is with MIUI. MIUI being MIUI guys, it has still a lot of bloatware apps, games present on it, which is really irritating. Like POCO, like MIUI, Xiaomi should improve it. I don't know when they will do it, but there are a lot of apps, but some of them can be uninstalled and some of them can't be uninstalled, so you can disable them. And even if they don't get disabled, you can just turn the notifications off, because these apps just keep on sending you random notifications left, right and center, and this will just irritate you. Like they just keep on sending notifications every 30 to 1 hour, like in a half an hour or 1 hour, it keeps on sending these random notifications from this random apps, even though I have not opened it once. So that's one thing, but you can disable them and turn the notifications off from the settings, and it will be sorted. Next thing is with the fingerprint scanner. So the POCO X3 has a side mounted fingerprint scanner guys, and in most of the cases, like while I was using the phone, it used to never recognize in the first like instant. It used to recognize my fingerprint in the second or the third instant, which is what I've noticed in my use, and I don't know how, but it is happening sort of. But now guys, you will see that face unlock is also there. Yes, I had also registered my face in face unlock, but surprisingly the face unlock is really slow. Like it takes literally around 4 to 5 seconds to recognize your face and then unlock the device. So I don't know how this is happening. Like I also tried deleting my face data and again registering my face, but then too I was getting the same result, that it was unlocking really slow. So it was irritating, but I guess Poco can fix it with a software update. They need to ASAP fix the face unlock. It is really slow. And last thing now again is with MIUI. Now that Poco has replaced the stock MIUI dialer with the stock Google dialer, guys, you will not get the call recording feature. Yes, the call recording feature has been removed. I don't know how, but Poco just for any reason has just replaced the stock MIUI dialer with the Google dialer. So that's why call recording will not be there. So it might be a deal breaker for some of you guys as well. So finally guys, coming to the battery life, then the Poco X3 has a huge 6000 mAh battery, and in my usage period I was getting around easily 6.5 to 7 hours of screen on time on in my usage pattern, like the way I use. But guys, I was expecting, which is good enough, like it is good for one single day, it will get you through a day easily. But guys, I was expecting that at least I will get a day and a half or 2 days of battery life because of the huge battery, but sadly that's not the case. And battery optimization can still be improved is what I think. Like if Xiaomi Poco optimizes MIUI more for this specific phone, then you can get good battery life out of it. But battery life was a slight disappointment for me. I was expecting more out of this, but that's okay. But another good thing is that you get a 33-watt fast charger in the box. So this charger charges the phone up to 80% in 1 hour. So it is a good charger. I would not say it's bad. 33 watt is more than enough for a phone like of this capacity. So that's there as well. Also, one good thing is that the Poco X3 has a 3.5mm headphone jack. Yes, 3.5mm headphone jack is still present, and nowadays you don't get it in big smartphones, but budget smartphones are getting good at it. So it has a 3.5mm headphone jack as well as an IR blaster. So if you don't know what an IR blaster is, it is basically a sensor on top of the phone, and with the help of IR blaster you can control your TV, your set-top box or your air conditioner just with your smartphone. So that's a good utility feature to have on the Poco X3 as well. So that's been the review of the Poco X3 guys, and this is what I felt in my usage of over 2 weeks, and this is how my experience was with the Poco X3 basically. And if you ask me for my opinion guys, what I think is that under 20,000 rupees this is a value for money phone like you can get, because this kind of specs is just unheard of, and Poco is really giving a great deal here. And if you're planning to go for it, just go for it, don't have a second thought. Also another phone that comes closer to the Poco X3 is the Realme 7 Pro at 20,000 rupees. And 3 things the Realme 7 Pro has more, I should say, is firstly is the AMOLED display, then 65 watts charging, and an in-display fingerprint scanner. So these 3 things are there, and if you can extend your budget a little bit, Realme 7 Pro is there for you. Otherwise, Poco X3 is a good phone for the price that it comes. So guys, that's my review of the Poco X3, and if you have liked what you saw, then please do drop a like down below, and also do get subscribed to my channel for more awesome videos like this. This is your boy Kaustubh from Tech2Explore signing off. Until then, you guys keep exploring.